Wow, you should have heard the stereo a second ago. Hold on. Let me go get the tripod. Alright, I'm gonna film it from across the room. I can sit in my lazy chair. Of course, I can't read it from here, really. So it's supposed to be a game for metalheads. Well, there's a English hardcore band, punk rock band, I think, called Doom. And they have sort of a similar logo. I think they took their inspiration from that. Waiting for it to load. The game is still downloading and updating. It sounded really good with the home theater though for a minute. I don't know what we're waiting for, just a whole bunch of stuff. Probably it said it's ready to play, but I don't think it was. Because I got 33%.
They are rage, brutal, without mercy. But you will be worse. Rip and tear until it is done.
Another first-person shooter. I hate this. Well, I don't see what the hell is going on here. Interesting game. I'd like to not have the remote shake. I don't like that. Alright, well, I played that for a couple of minutes, and that is not my type of game at all. Definitely kind of creepy Resident Evil type crap. So I don't know. I mean, it's a first-person shooter, so I don't like it.